To continue with our flame tome, we'll be adding magic glyphs around our candle. Next, cut out tiny strips from your CosBond Attach Build. Place these all around some decorative edges. Peel and then stick them to your cover. Now add some hot glue to make the candle look as if it's melting. To paint the candle, I started with a layer of yellow for opacity. Then I went over all of it with a layer of red spray paint. And now our painting is done. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll be adding bookmarks and latches.